Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Grammarly not working in Chrome. If you've been experiencing issues with your Grammarly extension not functioning properly, this quick fix will get you back on track in no time. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. This will take you straight to your Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are stored. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings to resolve the issue. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, look at the left navigation menu on your dashboard. Here you'll find several options for managing your Grammarly experience. Click on Apps. This section is crucial because it houses all the different platforms and integrations where Grammarly can be installed and managed. From here, you'll see a list of all the available platforms where you can install Grammarly, including options for various browsers, desktop applications, and mobile devices. Now, if you're having trouble with the Chrome extension, the best and most straightforward way to fix it is by reinstalling the extension entirely. This process clears out any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the problem. Look for the option labeled Grammarly for Chrome. You should see it listed among the other available apps. Simply click on Reinstall to fix the issue. When you click Reinstall, Chrome will automatically remove the existing extension and download a fresh version. This ensures that you're working with the latest, most stable release of the extension, which often resolves compatibility issues, bugs, or performance problems. You might be redirected to the Chrome Web Store during this process, and you'll need to confirm the installation by clicking Add to Chrome when prompted. After the reinstallation completes, you should see the Grammarly icon appear in your Chrome toolbar once again. At this point, the extension should be working properly. You can test it by opening any text field or document in your browser and typing a few sentences to see if Grammarly's suggestions appear as expected. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Grammarly not working in Chrome by reinstalling the extension. This simple solution addresses most common issues and gets your writing assistant back up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.